So here's how to add stroke to text in Photoshop. So as you can see, we are now in Photoshop. On the left panel, you will get to see this option for text. So click on Text. After that, from the top panel, you can adjust the text size according to your preference. After that, just click on your canvas. Then, type in your desired text. So once you're done typing in your text, adjust its position on the canvas. And once you're done, go over to the right panel and below, you will see this option that says FX. Click on it and then select Stroke from the options. After that, you will get to see this pop-up window. From the window, you can go over to Color in order to adjust the color of your stroke, and then click OK. After that, go over to the size bar and adjust the size of your stroke. You can also adjust the opacity of your stroke by moving the slider. And once you're done making all the adjustments, just click on OK. And as you can see, our stroke has been applied. And that is exactly how to add stroke to text in Photoshop.